Hello, friends, and welcome back to A Cozy Lifestyle with Clarissa Coward. I hope you all are faring well during this pandemic. It looks like the numbers are starting to level out, which is a blessing. Just keep praying and stay prayed up, and we're going to get through this. Today's video is going to be a craft with me. I needed a bulletin board in my office slash craft room, and so I decided to make one. Actually, I made two. They're exactly alike, and I hung them on the same wall because when I made the first one, the wall looked a little empty. So we're going to get into making this bulletin board, and I'm making it from an old picture frame. You know, we're all into using what we have right now. So I'm going to invite you to come on in and let's get to crafting. So this is the picture frame that we're using or that I'm using today. Um, the photo is or the print is okay, but I've decided that they were just sitting in the closet and why not use them? So I'm not throwing the prints away, but I am going to use this picture frame. There's also one that's very similar is to this. The frame is the same, but the print is different that I'm going to be using to make the second one. I'll be using black chalk paint. I will also be using some poster board. I will be using some black and white fabric, and I am going to embellish with a couple of labels with clothespins. So that's what we'll be using today, and I'm just going to go over it. I think I ended up using maybe a coat and a half because I put the coat of paint on and I came back, looked at it, and did a little touch up. But I didn't have to use a full 2 coats of paint for this project. And I'm going to use the poster board. Well, you'll see as we get along into this project. And let me say this, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please do so. I'd love to have you become a part of my community here. It's a lifestyle community, and we do crafts, cooking, decorating, upcycling, and all things that help. Organizing is one of my favorites as well, and all things that help you or give you incentive or um, some tips to live a productive and cozy lifestyle. It's all about being cozy over here. And my niche is that I do it all on a budget. No one has a lot of money to waste nowadays, or at least I don't. So we are trying to live large on a medium size. I won't say really, really small because we are blessed, but on a medium sized budget. There's no need to spend when you don't need to. So I'm still painting as you can see here. So I'm going to put this to music and let you enjoy my project. Friends, I wanted you to know that I'm using the cardboard that came with the frame to cut the poster board to a perfect fit so that it'll slide in really easily. That's what I was doing. That's what I was measuring the poster board with.
I've been thinking about the good times. I've been sleeping through the long nights. I've been shining in the sunlight. I've been thinking how I'm alright. There's a reason for my feelings. There's a reason why I'm healing. Yeah, I feel higher than the ceiling. All because of you. You and I were so sweet, so sweet. Talking night I fall deep in love. Yeah. Cause you really get me, make me fall to my knees, my knees. Every night I fall deep in love. Yeah, wait a minute, don't you leave before I get to kiss ya. Wait a minute, I don't wanna be without you. Yeah, wait a minute, I can let you go before I kiss ya. Wait a minute, I just need a minute or two. I should catch up on my reading, I should catch up on my eating, yeah. But it's hard to keep a thought straight with you all up in my face. Try to get you out my mind, but why should I when you're all I really like, yeah. I feel higher than a mountain, all because of you. You and I was so sweet, so sweet. Talking till we asleep, asleep. Every night I fall deep in love, yeah. Cause you really get me, make me fall to my knees, my knees. Every night I fall deep in love. Wait a minute, don't you leave before I get to kiss you. Wait a minute, I don't wanna be without you. Yeah, wait a minute, I can let you go before I kiss you. Wait a minute, I just need a minute or two. Minute with you is all I want. Minute with you is all I want. Minute with you is a minute with you is a minute with you is all I want. Minute with you is all I want. Minute with you is all I want. Minute with you is a minute with you is a minute with you is all I
Friends, I hope you are enjoying the video. It's always fun to put something together and spend no money. I love doing that. I needed a bulletin board, and so I made a bulletin board and I spent no money. Everything was already in-house. I ended up using two because my frames weren't quite big enough, but that's okay. I'm pleased with it, and I hope that it has inspired you while we're all waiting for things to get better to do something in your home that makes you feel good as well. I wanted to take a moment and just let you know that you all of my subbies are in my thoughts and my prayers. And although I don't pray for each of you individually, I do pray for you as a whole every single day. You are on my prayer list. I pray for your families as well as you. I hope that everyone stays healthy, and I hope that everyone stays safe. And I want you all to know that I appreciate you each and every one. Again, I hope that you will leave me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. And if you enjoy this type of content, please leave me a comment below. I'd appreciate it. I love hearing from you. And I always like to leave you the same way, with lots of love, hugs, and blessings. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.